You ever get that feeling when you're this close to something exciting and then boom, roadblock? Well, that's exactly what's happening with Samsung Galaxy users right now. The big One UI 7 update, the one everyone's been hyped about for months, it's here. But it's not going smoothly at all. In fact, it's turning into one of Samsung's messiest update rollouts in years. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around because things get even crazier. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into tech drama, juicy updates, and a bit of chaos sprinkled in, smash that like button, share this video with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Now, here's the wild part. One UI 7, based on Android 15, was already delayed for months, building up massive anticipation. But when Samsung finally pushed it live, bam, a critical bug popped up almost immediately. It was so bad, they had to pull the entire update from their servers. Yep, full stop. Imagine the panic in those boardrooms. After a few nerve-wracking days, Samsung patched it up and re-released the update. But that's when Galaxy S24 users started hitting a wall. Reports flooded Reddit, X, Twitter's new name, and forums all over the internet. People couldn't even download the update. Some got stuck halfway, others hit it, couldn't install the update error over and over again. It's like your phone promises a party and then locks you out at the door. Super frustrating, right? And it gets worse. This bug isn't just a small glitch, it's messing with regular phone usage too, on a flagship phone, a $1,000 plus device. You'd think Samsung would have thrown the kitchen sink at making this update smooth, but here we are. So what's causing the chaos? Samsung hasn't made an official announcement yet, but experts and tech nerds, myself included, have some solid theories. First, the obvious culprit, server overload. With millions of Galaxy phones worldwide hammering Samsung servers, it's no surprise things are getting jammed. It's like trying to stream 4K Netflix on hotel Wi-Fi. Good luck with that. Another factor could be dodgy Wi-Fi or unstable mobile networks on the user's end, but honestly, the bigger blame probably falls on Samsung's side for not scaling up properly. Now, if you're stuck in this mess, there are a few tricks you can try. One popular move: pause the update, restart your phone, and try again. Some folks say switching to a different Wi-Fi network or even mobile data help nudge the download along. And if all else fails, here's a pro tip. Download Samsung's Smart Switch software on your PC or Mac. Plug in your phone and update that way. It's old school. For a lot of people, it's actually working. Meanwhile, Samsung has been busy behind the scenes trying to get One UI 7 back on track. After the initial disaster, they resumed rolling it out, starting with South Korea and slowly expanding to other regions like India, Europe, the Middle East, and the US. Devices like the Z Flip 5, Fold 5, and even the new Flip 6 and Fold 6 are getting the update now too. So yeah, if you haven't gotten it yet, it's coming. But if you're stuck in the error loop, well, patience is your new best friend. Now switching gears a bit, Galaxy S24 FE users, listen up. Samsung kicked off the One UI 7 rollout for the S24 FE, but only in South Korea so far. For everyone else, the wait is still on. The global rollout roadmap looks a little chaotic because Samsung uses different model numbers around the world. But based on the leaked timelines, most devices should get their turn in May and June. These next couple of months are going to be huge for Galaxy users. Here's a curveball though. Samsung just surprised everyone by pushing One UI 7 to Galaxy Tabs S10 and S9 early, like a whole month earlier than expected. In the US, Europe, and parts of Asia, Tab users are already living that Android 15 life. Plus, Galaxy S55 users got a fresh One UI 7 Beta 3 with some juicy fixes, like smoother SIM settings and cleaner battery icons. It's like Samsung's software team is on a redemption arc, at least for some devices. But let's be real, the damage is already done for a lot of Galaxy S24 owners. Expectations were sky high, and this whole mess has definitely shaken trust a bit. Samsung needs to step up with better communication and faster fixes, especially when it comes to their premium lineup. Still, there's a bright side. Once you do get One UI 7 up and running, you're in for some awesome upgrades, smoother animations, better multitasking, more customization options, and a slicker, more polished experience overall. It's just a shame the road to get there feels more like a pothole-riddled alley than a smooth highway. At the end of the day, software updates are supposed to make our lives easier, not give us headaches. Let's hope Samsung takes the hint and fast, because users deserve better. Until then, keep an eye out for patches, and remember, sometimes the best tech advice is just wait it out. Catch you in the next one. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful or even just mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow Samsung fan, and don't forget to subscribe. Sam signing off, stay awesome, and stay updated.